Alright everybody, we're back with another video. This one's a little bit different, but we got another vehicle here to test out and have a little fun with. So, this is a 1988 Honda 4TRX, or otherwise known as a TRX 125. So, we're going to have a little fun with this, but I figured I'd show you some of the things I've had to do with it. Put this towel over here because the seat cover's a little gone. And I also had to do a little zip tie mod with the crack in the fender, but at least it's not broken all the way off. We're gonna have to put some new tires and rims on this thing, because I don't know if you can see, but we got a little bit of a wallowing situation happening in here. So, but otherwise, this thing's a great runner. You'll need a little bath or something, but I didn't even have to clean the carburetor on it. I just did an oil change and put some air and sealant in the tires, and the thing's been going really well. So let's take it for a little ride. This thing starts really easy. I guess I should also mention, there is no suspension. Yeah, no suspension at all. But that's what makes this thing kind of fun, because it's like a go-kart on four wheels and you're sitting up on top of it. So, all right. thing rips. For such a small little vehicle, this thing's fast. Even though this thing has drum brakes, they work really well. Probably the best drum brakes on any four-wheeler or dirt bike I've ever ran. And the back brakes lock up just nice. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, because this thing's a heck of a lot of fun to ride. You'll definitely be seeing more videos of this quad on my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot of work to this thing. Fixing up these wheels, getting some new wheels put on, because these things are just dry rotted. It's got a dry rot hole right here, so... And there's a lot of dry rot on these back tires. They're not even that worn down, but they're just dry rotted and old. So I'll have to do a cleanup of this machine. I'll degrease it. We'll degrease it, get all the gunge and grease off the motor, and we'll take things off like the shifter and wire brush them and spiff them up. And then we'll wax this thing. You can probably see a little bit where I've already waxed this fender here, and I've waxed this fender a little bit, and up to here where I waxed it a little bit, got some of this moss off of it. But I'll have to do a deep cleaning of this thing to get all the dirt and mud and extra stuff off of the paint here. Luckily this thing isn't too badly rusted at all. I just noticed this rim has a little dent in it. And then there's the tie rod ends need replacing, but yeah, I'll be seeing more of this little quad on my channel, and as well as maybe some collaboration with a friend and me riding this in my TTR. So stay tuned.